This is Wen from Wen Guo. Welcome to this beautifully updated 3-bed and 2.5-bath townhome in Palo Alto. Nice backyard, inside is really comfy. Let's come and take a look. 您好，欢迎跟我一起参观这个3房2.5卫的联排别墅，地处 Palo Alto。我哋一齊過嚟參觀下。This home boasts a semi-open floor plan with a bright living area, featuring high ceilings and large windows that fill the space with lots of natural light. The modern kitchen is equipped with a brand new refrigerator and opens up to the spacious dining area, perfect for entertaining for family and friends. Skylights above the staircase adds even more brightness to this house. 1楼居住空间，超高的楼顶，落地门窗环绕。房子是东南朝向的，两面十分通透，整個房子清新明亮。樓梯上面仲有天窗，成間屋十分光猛。The property features 3 spacious bedrooms upstairs. Each come with high ceilings, ample closet space, and plenty of natural light. 2 updated bathrooms upstairs, 1 half bath on the ground floor for yours and your guests' convenience. 格局合理实用，2樓是睡房和洗手間，每個房間都有挑高的樓頂，採光特別好。成間屋精心打理，新嘅燈飾、新嘅雪櫃，就等緊你一個新嘅主人啊！It's very rare to see a townhome to have such a beautiful and large backyard nowadays. It feels like a single-family home on its own. It has the fenced area with a tree to give you shade, while all of these exterior sides are handled by the HOA and free of maintenance for you. 这里大树好乘涼，而且私密後院特別大，感覺根本就像一個獨棟房。係咪好舒適呢？ Here, we are very conveniently located in the middle of the whole complex, even though it's in the San Antonio Road, but it's very far from that street, so it's quiet and comfortable. Also, you can easily access to both Palo Alto downtown and Mountain View downtown. Amazing Los Altos schools for this unit. Come over and take a look. I hope to see you in the open house. 歡迎過來跟我們一起參觀，這裡地段方便，學校是 Los Altos 的學校，非常高的分數。我哋喺 open house 度等緊你，希望見到你。